By the time you arrive, you've already played out every possible scenario in your mind. It's never just a car service. It's the thought of unexpected costs. The inconvenience, finding the time, wondering what they'll find, and what it might mean. Because sometimes, the hardest part isn't the service itself. It's the uncertainty. Here at RRG Skoda, we believe servicing your car should give you peace of mind. From the moment you arrive, our friendly host will welcome you and guide you to our service team. Our service advisor will explain the process, answer any questions, and ensure everything is clear before your service begins. You can then leave your vehicle with us, or relax in our comfortable showroom while we take care of the rest. Enjoy complimentary refreshments, freshly prepared by our host, while you sit back and unwind. And let us complete the rest. While you relax, your Skoda will be taken into our workshop, where it's looked after by our highly trained Skoda technicians. Using genuine Skoda approved parts, they'll carry out your vehicle's service to the highest standard. Once the service is complete, your vehicle will be moved to our valeting bay, where it will be washed and cleaned before being returned to you looking its best. When everything is ready, we will let you know your vehicle is complete and invite you back to the service desk. Your service advisor will explain the work completed, your paperwork and payment, and any service plan options available. At RRG Skoda, we're here to make servicing simple, convenient and completely stress-free, so you can drive away with total peace of mind. Book your next service with RRG Skoda today and let us take care of the rest.
I'm addicted to the